Hello guys! Welcome back to another episode of The Moneywise Engineer. Ang topic natin for today's video ay Costco Capital Stock Analysis. Maganda bang mag-invest sa Costco Capital? If you look at the long-term share price performance ng Costco, downtrend siya since 2017. Akyat baba ang share price, so malamang favorite ito ng mga swing traders. Nagising na ang sleeping giant. Tumataas na ulit ang share price ng Costco. Ito ang mga businesses ng Costco Capital Incorporated. Merong grocery retail, ang Pure Gold. Pure Gold is listed separately sa PSE. And sa kanila rin ang SNR membership shopping. Merong wine and liquor distribution, the Keepers Holdings, listed din ito sa PSE. Specialty retail, yung office warehouse. They have real estate and property leasing. Sa kanila pala ang 999 shopping mall sa Divisoria. And meron ding oil and mining segments. Madaming businesses ang Costco. Para malaman if Costco Capital is a great company, let's check the financial performance of Costco. If you've been following my vlogs, kabisado mo na itong simple piece framework na ginagamit ko sa stock analysis. Natutunan ko ito sa Value Investing College. We will check the following 5 key metrics: profitability, inflow of cash, efficiency, conservative ba ang company, and economic moat to assess kung merong strong competitive advantage ang company. Sa profitability, ginagamit ang earnings per share instead of net earnings because EPS provides a more comparable measure of profitability on a per share basis, and mas madali ding mag-compare versus other companies regardless of their size. EPS must be consistently positive and growing. Sa inflow of cash, operating cash flow must be consistently positive. Operating cash flow is the amount of cash generated by the company from its business operations. Sa efficiency, gusto natin above 15% ang return on equity. The higher the ROE, the more efficient the company is in generating profits from its shareholders' equity. At the minimum, ROE should be comparable to industry. Para malaman kung conservative ang company, we will check yung debt to equity ratio. Ang target natin dito is below 50%. Though DE ratio varies by industry kasi may mga industries na malakas sa capital expenditure kaya pwedeng mag more than 100% ang DE ratio. But it should not be more than 200%. And lastly, kailangan merong strong competitive advantage ang isang company. And it should be able to sustain or grow its business in the next 10 years. Revenue has consistently grown over the past 10 years. Growing din ang earnings. Mababa nga lang ang profit margin. Nasa 3.6% ang latest. Sa first half ng 2024, revenue grew by 8.2% and net income grew by 15.5%. Going strong ang performance ng Costco. Bulk ng revenue ay galing sa grocery retail at 90.4%, followed by liquor distribution at 7.7%. In terms of profitability, Costco is profitable with consistently positive and growing EPS. Ang 8-year EPS compound annual growth rate is 6.5%. Sa inflow of cash, Costco has consistently positive operating cash flow. This shows that Costco is consistently generating sufficient cash from its business operations. Mataas ang ROE ng Costco, above the 10% na industry average. This shows that Costco is effectively using its shareholders' equity to generate profits. Healthy rin ang balance sheet ng Costco. Mababa lang ang utang. And merong cash na 56.62 billion pesos. Solid ang performance ng Costco Capital. Costco Capital has shown strong financial performance over the past 8 years. Pasado sa apat na key metrics na chinek natin. Next, na-evaluate natin is economic moat para malaman if a company has a strong competitive advantage. Nasagot na natin ang first question kanina about the products and services of Costco. Maraming businesses ang Costco Capital and bulk of their revenue ay from their grocery retail. So, can it sustain or grow its business in the next 10 years? We will evaluate ang Big Five numbers para malaman natin if Costco can sustain and grow their businesses based on its historical data. Yung five key numbers na ito ay based sa rule number 1 na investing book ni Philtown. I made some modifications and gumawa ko ng tatlong classifications. Based naman ito sa natutunan ko sa book ni Peter Lynch na One Up on Wall Street. Yung ginamit kong growth rates dito ay for Philippine stock market. Yung criteria ni Philtown sa rule number 1 ay for fast-growing companies. Merong three classifications. First is slow grower. Usually, mga matured companies na ito that are focused on company stability and providing dividends to shareholders. Usually, ang growth rate ay 5% and below. And yung sa gitna naman ay steady grower with growth rate of more than 5% to 10%. These are companies with steady and reliable growth rate and meron pa ring room for expansion. At ang third ay fast grower, above 10% ang growth rate. Siyempre, pinakagusto natin pag fast grower ang isang company. Sa return on invested capital, ang target natin dito ay above 10%. Walang data ang Costco noong 2017. Yung 2021 naman outlier, so hindi ko na isinama. And based on the available data, mataas ang ROIC ng Costco, above 10%. This shows that Costco is generating good returns on its investments and it has a strong competitive position. Consistently positive and growing ang free cash flow, ang 7-year compound annual growth rate ay 13%. Consistent na nag-grow din ang book value per share or equity. Ang 8-year compound annual growth rate ay 8.4%. So based on this, we can say that Costco can sustain or grow its business in the next 10 years based on its historical performance. Ito naman ang future growth forecast ng mga analyst. EPS is forecasted to grow 10.7% and revenue by 9.2% per annum. Expectations lang ito ng mga analyst based on their assumptions. Consistent na nagbibigay ng dividend ang Costco. Maliit lang noong una, pero tumataas na ang dividend above 4% na since last year. Sana tumaas pa ang dividend. In summary, Costco Capital has shown strong financial performance over the past 8 years with steady and reliable growth rate. Ang calculated intrinsic value ko for Costco based on earnings, PE ratio, and growth rate ay 7.8 pesos per share. Kailangan natin maglagay ng margin of safety para meron tayong buffer. Ang buy below price with 30% margin of safety ay 5.46 pesos. Undervalued pa rin ang Costco at the current price of 5.15. Ang average buy price ko ay 4.95 pesos.